Another example of augmented reality is really close to my heart, and the pun is definitely intended, is my thesis project back at Columbia University, where we took CT and MRI scans, converted them into 3D models, put them on these smart glasses called HoloLens by Microsoft for the physician to wear. And then the physician was basically able to see the patient's heart floating above them during surgery. It was an amazing, amazing experience and an amazing use case of augmented reality in the operating room. The hashtag was AR in the OR. And what's cool about this is the physician basically got this 3D reference map of the patient's anatomy in real time. Again, amazing use case, amazing execution. But in order to achieve that, I had to do something that I really, really hate, and that's waking up super early in the morning. I had to be in the hospital around 6 a.m. to take those 2D scans, convert them to 3D models, deploy them to these glasses, redeploy the application for the physician to wear. And as a developer, that process was so frustrating. It took so much time. And all I wanted to do basically is just to manage 3D assets and deliver them to an air device, switching on a heart to an aorta to lungs. Why was I, an engineer, required to be in the OR to basically switch up 3D content? And when we saw this problem, we kind of started talking to other developers who are building applications in retail and shopping, data visualization, games, and they all said the same thing. There was no easy way to manage and deliver 3D data. But again, if you think about it, this problem was kind of solved in 2D. If you want to build a website, you can use something like Heroku as your kind of cloud platform, upload images and videos. If you're building a mobile app, you can use something like Parse or Firebase as your backend as a service. So you went from web to mobile to now this kind of new technology, AR, VR, 3D, XR, immersive, metaverse, call it whatever. Question has to be asked, who's going to build the same cloud platform for this new type of content? And you've guessed it, that's what we do at echo3D. We are a cloud platform for 3D applications that basically provides tools and network infrastructure for creators and developers like yourself to build games, AR, VR experiences, and any 3D application that you can think of, from NFTs to face filters to whatever you think. We kind of make sure that you can upload and handle 3D data, and then we stream it all over the world. Super excited about today's event. We're going to share demos. We're going to do a bunch of interactive stuff and try to build applications together. So really, really excited about this. And let's kind of get started.